Welcome to the class. Today we have to study about our country, that is India. India is a country of vast geographical expanse. In the north, it is bounded by the lofty Himalayas, the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. These are the boundaries of India. India has an area of about 3.28 million square kilometer. It is the second most populous country of the world after China. India is located in the northern hemisphere under the Tropic of Cancer, 23°13' north. India's neighbors. There are 7 countries that share land boundaries with India. They are Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. And India has sea neighbors also, that is island neighbors. They are Sri Lanka and Maldives. And Sri Lanka is separated from India by the Park Strait. India is a vast country. For administrative purposes, the country is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. You have to see these states and union territories in the in page number 66 of your textbook. Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest state. And states are also further divided into districts. India is marked by a diversity of physical features such as mountains, plateaus, plains, coasts and islands. Himalayas mean the abode of snow. The Himalayan mountains are divided into 3 main parallel ranges. The northernmost is the Great Himalaya or Himadri. The world's highest peaks are located in this range. Middle Himalaya or Himachal lies to the south of Himadri. Many popular hill stations are situated here. The Shivalik is the southernmost range of the Himalayas. The northern Indian plains lie to the south of the Himalayas. They are generally level and flat. These are formed by the alluvial deposits laid down by the rivers the Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra and their tributaries. These river plains provide a fertile land for cultivation. That is the reason for higher concentration of population in these plains. In the western part of India lies the Great Indian Desert. It is a dry, hot and sandy stretch of land. It has very little vegetation. To the south of northern plains lies the peninsular plateau. It is triangular in shape. The relief is highly uneven. This is a region with numerous hill ranges and valleys. Aravalli Hills, one of the oldest range of the world, border it on the northwest side. The Vindhya and the Satpuras are the important ranges. The rivers Narmada and Tapi flow through these ranges. These are west flowing rivers that drain to the Arabian Sea. The western Ghats or Sahyadris border the plateau in the west and the eastern Ghats provide the eastern boundary. The west of the western Ghats and the east of the eastern Ghats are the coastal plains. The western coastal plains are very narrow. The eastern coastal plains are much broader. There are a number of east flowing rivers. The rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri drain into the Bay of Bengal. These rivers have formed a fertile deltas at their mouth. The Sundarban delta is formed where the Ganga and Brahmaputra flow into the Bay of Bengal. Two groups of islands also form part of India. Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea. These are coral islands located off the coast of Kerala. Do you know what are corals? Corals are skeletons of tiny marine animals called polyps. When the living polyps die, their skeletons are left. Other polyps grow on top of the hard skeleton, which grows higher and higher, thus forming the coral islands. The Andaman and the Nicobar Islands lie to the southeast of the Indian mainland in the Bay of Bengal. These are a brief history of our India.